this is how I prepare my gun for everyday carry. Boom. Drop one in the chamber. Boom. 12 round mag. So now I got 13 rounds inserted into my holster. Undergarment. Pants over. Boom. And it's cold, so I wear hoodies and whatnot. And I also keep a 27 round mag in my pocket. Yeah. Hey man, so once we get the first 1,000 subs back on this channel, man, first range videos coming every 500 to 1,000 subs. After that, I'll introduce a new gun to the channel for y'all, man. And let's make these bangers, man, and run up this content, man. I'm excited.